bench test now that this radio is all back together. I don't have a proper benchtop power supply, but EcoFlow to the rescue. We will do this real time. Just a random antenna from like a Volkswagen. Somewhere in this radio's life, they just cut the wire. And here we go.
The cross on your forehead for protection. May the Lord heal you in His mercy. All of His hand. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy.
So I'm in Salinas. Not a lot to choose from, but the dial does work.
World Vision has been there for the most vulnerable. For the last 70 years, we've stood with kids and
Tone
families
works.
during some of the world's hardest times.
Ruega por nosotros, Santa Madre de Dios, para que sea.
Your life could be shortened by 6 years. But don't.
And yes, the programming does work. Goes to the spot I just set it to.
When Shump and Mo were in their teens, they would sneak off to Coney Island to watch the vaudeville acts. They would later join these performers and were then discovered by Ted Healy, a well-known vaudeville actor. In time, they met Lawrence Feinberg, better known as Larry, and they became Ted Healy and his students.
And that's basically it. Wherever I post a link to this video, I'll give details on how you can purchase this. Thank you.